love content of the cut.
Perfect. Tu vois, les slides de fin, je suis pas fan parce que là, en fait, c'est un peu tout ce que j'ai expliqué. Mais il faut. Donc là, en fait, que la date, ça part de la data qu'on a, c'est les enregistrements d'appels, les transcriptions. Et qu'on peut, process improve, là il a bullshité même un design, j'aime pas du tout cette slide là.
Yes. Tu peux régénérer des images après, hein. Tu gardes le même style sinon avec
j'ai fait un système
pour le skills de
charte graphique.
Ouais, yes.
Then just generating code, because now you have multiple steps.
So every 3-4 months organizing.
I will invite you to implement an architecture logic into the way you build. Explaining that we need to relax about AI hype, just to talk about the first business in order that you concretely see what is it. Level 5 is having an auto-improving memory that can improve your system endlessly with Obsidian. Maybe some of you are aware of that. First thing you get to understand is the heartbeat of the company. Thank you very much.
Much more polished than the last time.
Yeah, I think it was. You were in Via Falcino because we met in Italy and I
Milano?
no, in the campaign. Small events. So, we're here in Germany, Frankfurt, at the No Code with Chinlong.
My own stack is Airtable for like backend automations for client projects. But if we find a developer, like proper full stack engineer to build it, it takes long and it costs much more money. Because Airtable has a lot of restrictions, and those restrictions are good. In Airtable, when you click, let's say one person, one record, you open the detail page. And the detail page is standardized, looking different block. You add stuff, make it editable, not editable.
Thank you, Jim.
Thank you.
Alors Luc, qu'est-ce que tu penses de cette première partie de la semaine à la No Code Week?
C'est très intéressant.
Et est-ce que tu es prêt pour le
Pour le
M8N
hackathon, on va gagner, ouais.
Je pense qu'on va gagner.
En vrai, je sais pas, parce qu'ils avaient l'air chaud.
Il y avait des gens qui bossent sur Linux, c'est ça qui m'a refroidi.
Ouais, après Linux ça marche très bien. Hein.
Jamais
C'est bon
utilisé.
système. Normalement, Windows, je crois, il me semble que c'est construit sur Linux.
Ok.
Là, c'est avant le hackathon. On espère le gagner. Et on va voir.
Vu la conférence de ce matin, c'était cool. Les gens avaient l'air satisfaits du discours que j'ai prononcé. Maintenant, plus qu'à répliquer ce type de moment avec plus de fréquence et devant un public prêt à l'achat. Mais en tout cas, on apprend des choses en échangeant avec d'autres builders.
Whatever that may be for your organization or your team or your client. And then lastly is the automation part. I like to say
It is not near your server. Also, it is stateless. What I mean by stateless is between the two runs.
Hi, my name is Yaokai Jiang. I am a software engineer and I'm the founder and CEO of Moment. So the way I think about AI, it is a reduction of cognitive costs. The marginal cost of cognition has gone down. Prior to AI, it's either a human or a dedicatedly trained model. If you're wrong in the way you apply the force, it amplifies that a lot. So yeah, that's why we're gonna see a bunch of AI hangover at some point. The biggest problem with AI nowadays is not really intelligence. It's been the same ever since large language models were invented. It's memory.
Thank you.
Thanks. Yeah.
Hackathon. Hey guy, how did you find the hackathon?
I think you are the hero, man. I just told him that I love your error handling by voice error handling. and by the way, it's just cool people there.
Perfect.
Hackathon project will be amazing. Even though it's not the best, you'll have fun and you'll enjoy it. So that's
To come
what
next
matters.
year.
To go next year? What?
Yeah, invite people to come next year.
Oh yeah, sure. Come next year because this is my second time here. And the first day on my first time, I say, okay, I'm coming back. So come.
Doing some tutorials and some speech that I give to others events. I'm not trying to be like an influencer, having like a lot of followers. I would appreciate if that happened. But my main goal is attracting customers by proving I'm competent enough throughout the YouTube video, because when you speak to AI workflow, implementation of an app, including AI to like a business owner, it can be very blurred to him. So you need to see what you concretely do in order to maybe buy something. That's the purpose of the channel. Like,
Personal branding.
Which is always on. What is always on? Pigeons!
Still, there's some personal care. There's a voice assistant. It's even Jan's his voice, so they know him.
At the moment, and we hear there was some party going there, so we ask ourselves how can we help to do something more inclusive for everyone. So right now it's for techno.
Submitting the pictures, it actually sends a webhook to NA10 to do the backend automation.
And I will show you how it works, because you have a TikTok of a restaurant and you don't know where you have to go, and we will help you, and you can post the video.
Since it's taking a long time to run the script, I will show you how it's work on the NA10. So basically, you could have TikTok, Instagram, maybe YouTube to have some food advertising. So we scrap all the data from API. It's a provider of it. So we download the videos through the HTTP request, and we transcribe all the texts, since some people don't give the address in the descriptions. They're just talking about it through the things, and we are analyzing what we have in the descriptions, what they said in their voice, and at the end, with another API scraper, we find out the ramens, and we can go to the location through the UI, and also see the videos. So with goats, I think it's time to eat. So if you want to eat good food, use goats. Thank you so much.
yeah,
Osmo Pro 6.
for 6.
Well, it's like just
Mario,
a pocket
this is
camera.
like a
I'll
tab.
do it again.
This is.
I love it. Can you do that again? Let's see that.
And the Telegram notification. You forgot that. I forgot that. Hi.
It was quite good presentation.
Thank you.
Little bit of latency.
Yeah.